This is one of the interesting climbing fern. This is also on the sacred hill, and climbs quite nicely and quite tall also. And this plant must be about almost 8 or 9 feet tall. So it can search for the sunlight and go, and then the leaves are very attractive and nice. And they have these little structures at the end of the leaf. Then these dried leaves, they contain the seeds. Normally these ferns are not flowering plants, and there are some other mechanism to propagate. So lower down leaves are they get longer as they mature.